there, my name is Ray Prabadi, and right now I will be going for presentation classroom management project 2. Part 1, tolerance. Teaching tolerance is the intentional practice of helping people, especially students, understand, respect, and expect differences in other even when those differences conflict with their own belief, value, or way way of life. I guess beyond putting up with differences is foster empathy, fairness, and com- com- commitment of justice. Core core prince principle. Take one as a recognized common humanity. All people differs dignity regardless of race, ethnicity, regional gender, disability, class, culture of identity. 2. Acknowledge differences without judgment. Diversity is a strength, not a problem to be fixed. Address bias and stereotype. Teach critical thinking to challenge unfair assumptions. For listen first, seek to understand before being understood. 5. Take action. Tolerance means standing against discrimination, not just avoid it. Practical strangers for teacher and educators, curriculum and context. Here's the first story author and historical perspective that reflect my background. Discuss real-world issue conflict, mid generation inequality with balanced, respectful viewpoint. Teach teach the difference between opinion, projects, and fact. Classroom culture. Set clear rules, no name calling, not exclusion, respect for all voice. And yours. Collaborate group work across different social groups. Create safe space for peace for people to share their experiences without fear of mockery. Skill building active role apply scenarios where student resolve misunderstanding, analyze media for stereotype and bias, invite guest speaker from varied communities to share their story. For student, ask questions instead of making assumptions. Respect that people can disagree without being enemies. Speak up when someone is being treated unfairly. Common misconception. Tolerance means agreeing with everyone. No, you can disagree respectfully while respecting the person. Tolerance in inclusiveness different is honor differences while upholding their human rights. It's just being nice. No, it's an active skill. That's a regress effort, courage, and critical thinking. In the Indonesian context, Indonesian Bhinneka Tunggal Ika unity in difference is the foundation of tolerant education here. It it emphasizes that our many cultures, religions, and tradition bind us together as one nation. Would you like me to translate this full width into Bahasa Indonesia? Provide a lesson plan. Workset or example space. Focus on tolerance for specific topic: religions, disability, gender, etc. K. Definition. First, the The uncomfortable feeling when blocked from a goal. Each hard, hard task unfair rule. Often the first trigger. And anger, strongest emotional response to feeling hurt, wrath, wronged, or powerless. Aggression, harmful word or action, yelling, hitting, exclusion used when a student lacks better coping skill, not bad behavior, usually a signal of human need. Help students recognize their feeling many acts out before they notice what they feel. These signs, body clue, things, chest, not chest, hot, fast, challenge, shirt, feet, fast, breathing, waiting to storm off. Third clue, this is unfair. I can do this. Everyone is against me. Practice use a 1 until 10 feeling scale. 1 calm, 10 ready to explode to help them name intensity early. Immediate calm down. Strangers in the moment. Teach, teach this before conflict happens so they remember when upset. Physical reset. Deep breathing. Breathe in for hold 2. Out for 6. Long exhale. Low, low, lower stress. A sensory action when when quasi stress ball count 5 things they see or hear. Drink cold water. Breathe a moment 1 minute. Walk strength things muscle. Mental reset. Use a safe phrase. I need a minute to calm down so I can talk properly. Pause, count to 10 slowly before speaking or acting. Address the root cause. After aggression is almost always a symptom of feeling unheard or disrespected, overwhelmed, too hard task, threatens, anger, fear of failure, or embarrassment, past hurt or lack of control. Ask gently, what what has the hardest part just now? What did what did you wish should happen instead? Did you feel like no one understood you? This long-term skill, problem-solving framework. One name the problem. I get frustrated because the math tasks feel too hard. Two lists. Two list three safe choice. Ask fre- ask for help takes a short break. Try an easier part first. Pick one choice. Try it out. Review did it work? What could I try next time? Replace aggressive response instead of this. Yelling this is stupid. Hitting or throwing. Blaspheming others. Did this. I'm finding this really hard. Can you help me? I'm too angry right now. I need to step away. I feel I feel hurt when that happen. Can we fix this? Classroom and school support. Set clear expectation. We can be angry. That's okay. Hurting people or things is never okay. Co-create calm space. A quiet corner with tools students can use freely. Model Hadley before. your your own calm responses. I am feeling frustrated right now. So I take a breath before I continue. Consistent consistent fire consequences, focus and prepare, not punishment. AG apologizes, fix what was damaged, told to better option. Common misconception. They are they they re just being naughty. Most acting out means that he even learn not the skill yet suppress anger. Naturally, anger is natural. We just need to express it safely. One talk will fix it. This take respected practice and trust. Indonesia contact notes in line with our value of gotong royong mutual care and respect frame this as a caring for themselves and the community. When we manage our feeling well, we keep our class safe and kind for everyone. Would you like full bahasa Indonesia translation of this joint? Unless a plan student workset or role play scenarios. Youth dance for sporting student with repeated or server aggressions. Part 2. Analysis and action. Plan for Mr. Johnson and Alex. First, understand the situation. This pattern tell us Alex already know the rules, but current strangers are not addressing the root cause or matching his needs. Aggression is only a viable tool to express over over half over half helping helping feeling or in need. He is not choosing to be dif- difficult. 10 plus years of experience means Mr. Johnson has strong basic what is needed is a targeted adjustment, not more of the same. Review and review and revenge correct approaches. Approaches. What what may be missing for exciting effort? Teaming of teaming of support invention happen after outbursts. Alex still like skill to stop it before is clear. Thus, one size fits all rules. Consequences might feel unfair assuming to him talking him defensive. Broadcast still hidden. Al Al may not able to explain his struggles, e.g. learning difficulties, family stress, bullying, and understood trauma or feeling unsafe. Imme- Immediate adjustment for Mr. Johnson. Build trust first, request for private talk with casual check-ins. I notice you look look at tense during men today. Want to tell me what's so on your mind? Acknowledge effort if even is a small moment. Thank you for raising your hand instead of calling out just now. That took real control. Avoid public correction. Same fuel aggression. Address before quietly one and one. Teach early warning signs and personal coping plan. Work with Alex to list own class, e.g. hot or ears things just wanting to shout. Give him a private signal, e.g. placing a pencil on his desk. 2. Ask for a 2 minutes break without drawing attention. Show create 3 go to calm down step he chooses, not what the teacher picks. She re- reframe consu- can consequences to focus and repair. In instead of punishment hitting hard your classmate, we need help them feel safe again. You can help by drawing, and this teaches accountability without resent- resentment. In investigate the growth cause, systematically work with the school or parent to check running gaps to struggle with reading or writing and act out to hide embarrassment. Environment change at home, lack of sleep or hunger of being weird, sensory or neural development. Does he have humid need ADHD action team that make sitting still or waiting extremely hard? Step 4. Collaborate for a consistent support. Meet parents share observation without blame. Ask what worked at home. Early calm down. Language. Involve school counselor. Have them do one-on-one sessions with Alex or so teach small group on anger management. Adjust instruction. Give Alex a small clear text. Check in every 10 minutes. Let him move or help with classroom job to release energy. Expected outcome. Change will take 4 until 8 weeks of consistent practice, not overnight. Mr. Johnson will see fe- fewer physical outbursts first. Alex starting to use his break signal. More open communication about what upset him. Would you like a simple script for talking to Alex is apparent? A personal behavior plan template tailored for Alex. A Bahasa Indonesia translation of this plan. Core regional parents behavior including aggressions is a form of communication. It's a signal and you might need or missing skill, not inherent badness. Phrase 2. Mr. Johnson current strangers rule consequences. General price private. Talk address responses to be fair, not the the cause capacity driving Alex actions. Phrase 3. Sustain improvement rigorous 3-line step build trust. Teach missing skill. Re- resolve root causes, not just enforce rules. Step by step logical solution. One validate and reframe the situation. Logical diagnosis of observation stranges that work for most students are failing for Alex. Logical conclusion. Alex Jarrett lacks the ability to follow expectation or the expectation or priorities do not match his needs. He is not refusing to improve. He cannot yet improve with the support he is getting. 2. Intermediate targeted adjustment address cap capacity gaps. This directly fix what was missing for earlier efforts. Build physical bio- physiological safety. Two-step public correction use quiet private feedback, logic same and definitions block learning and instruct aggressions. These are recognitions and chose to create his personal warning signs. Plus private break signal logic Alex adds out because he's not identify or pause raising anger before it control him. Replace a punishment with reports like consequences to fixing heart not shaming logic punishment teach fear or resentment repair teach accountability and empathy. Pre-cinematic root cause investigation others human needs. Mr. Johnson preview private talk may not have uncovered whereas Alex cannot or will not say out loud. Mr. Johnson previews private talk may not have uncovered barrier Alex cannot or will not say out loud. Possible root cause. Under fic under fictive running difficulty, stress, trauma, bullying at home, school, neuron development, mental regulation needs, logic, logical link to aggressions, act out to hide embarrassment or feeling stupid, feel powerless, uses aggressions to feel in control, cannot sit still, wait, or filter impulses easily, required action. Prefers for learning assessment adjust task difficulty difficulty corrupt with a counselor and parents check for bullying. Console special allow moment break and censor tools. Consistent collaborate support. Sustain change. Intervention fail if they are inconsistent. Al- aligned aligned language and rules with a parent so Alex get the same message at home, at school. Involve the school counselor for special one skill building give Alex a meaning rules. AG help her to build confidence and belonging. What you like me too? Format this a formal academic argument and assessment answer. Math is exactly to specific topic from meeting 9 until 14 AG social linguistic aspect a classroom management theory. Translate this full solution into Bahasa Indonesia. Problem 1 Mr. Johnson and Alex aggressive behavior. Privately warning system and shoe regulation checks-ins. How to implement agree on a silent signal. AG Alex placing a small card on this desk. He can use when feeling frustrated. Mr. Johnson will respond with a quiet note or 30-second one-on-one check instead of a public correction. Also start it. They want 1 minute casual that uh, chat to ask how is her feeling. How help a public correction trigger same and definitions that fuel aggressions. This strategy builds trust, lets alert communicate need without embarrassment and interview. Before and anger escalates, giving himself alternative to action out. Exploit emotional skill building with personal copy plan, private early warning system, and relevant check-ins. One clear active learning chance with built-in participations. How to implement agree on a silent signal AG Alex placing a small card on his desk. He can use a feeling frustration. Mr. Johnson will respond with a quiet no, not or 30 second one and one check in into public correction and also win a 1 minute casual chat to us how is a feeling how is a public correction triggers same and defines that's a for aggression. This are strategy will trust lets Alex communicate need without embarrassment and interference before anger escalates, giving him a safe alternative to action out. Explain shit emotional skill building with personal copy plan. How to implement work with Alex identify, identify his own physical signs of rising anger, e.g. clenched feet, hot face, teeth. 2 until 3. Personalize calm down step, e.g. squeezing stress. While drinking water, walking to get the tissue and practice them together. When he is calm, how it helped Alex as fully because he likes skill to recognize or manage overwhelming feeling not because he want to bad this feel. His skill gap and give him control his emotions. Prepare focus consequences instead of punishment. How to implement after an outburst skip scolding or extra work instead as to why what did your action affect? What you can do fix it. AG apologizing, helping classmate upset cleaning up item he knock over. How it a help punishment correct resentment and more conflict refer teaches accountability and empathy stop performing Alex as a troublemaker. So he is more willing to change. Problem 2 Mr. Smith and of text before in math class specific strategies. One active learning, clear active learning, chance with a built-in participations, how to incorporate reason into 10 until 12 minutes. Sentence and explain one concept. Give a quick collaborative text AG turn to a partner and solve this 2 minutes. World class check in avoid long. Research with students a specific AG checker reporter during group work. How it help of task before often comes from boredom or feeling left out. Frequent active participation keep study mentality energetic and specific role may remove to change to this decent age pro, promiscuity and unobtrusive reduction. How to improvement move around the room continuously while teaching and stand near of tasks. Student without stopping or speaking, I needed gentle stare. Yes. Whisper a reminder while running over over their work. Hope is helping it keep students focused with drawing attention to them or distracting the world class. It also signal care rather than criticism. The difference shattered takes difficulty and clear short-term goals. How to in how to implement over 2 until 3 versions. Practice problem basic, intermediate, challenging, so every student feel capable. Write small, visible goals. Finish these 3 problem in 18 minutes. They will take answer together. Allow points 1 for approved e.g. calculator gap apps. How to help students discern if work is too hard, frustration or too easy. Random clear goals, great focus and sitting. One rules remove distraction while keeping running rhythm. Problem 3, Mr. Bond and Jack. Distraction before. Positive reinforcement for one task expressions and praise Jack immediately when he followed them. Good job raising your hands and waiting just now. That's help everyone listen. Use a smile private rewards system. It stay focused for a full lesson. How to it how it help positive before often seek attention. Positive attention for a god before teachers that he gets recognized with causing trouble. Punctual before interview and interesting interrogation. How involved to talk professionally with Jack. What do you find hard or boring about or listen? What kind of story active do you like most? Integrate his interest into the task. E.g., if you like sport, use a sport example for writing or discussions. How to help Jack made this truth because he feel union, uninterested or disconnected. Linking listen to this preference build investment and feeling here reduce the urge to act out. Free registration and adjustment prompts. How to implement before starting a discussion or activity. Give Jack a specific job. Jack, can you share your idea first after 2 minutes, or help me check if everyone has their book open? If we start talking out turn, use a pre-aggressive silent signal instead of excluding. How to help giving him a clear role channel his energy into positive participation. It also prevents him from feeling quiet moment with described comment.